Kapoy na?
Punta na, punta.
For today's video, tanaw na to atong bana nga nagsayaw-sayaw. Humana naman siya sayaw-sayaw, aura-aura na sa tao, di ba? Mao ni sinang bandin. Nagpa-cute kay dugay naman sa duwa mo nakakita nako, no? So, mao na ning update sa akong dagway. Nag-smile. Seryoso na kay nga nag-exercise ang akong bana niya. Sometimes siya na-exercise, nag-smile ko. Tanawa ra gud guys kung unsa iyang gibuhat.
Stretching out that back, opening up those shoulders.
Paka man. Tingog ang lubot.
Pull down naman.
Go ahead and bring one arm across, press that shoulder down. We're going to stretch out our shoulders. Really try to press those shoulder blades down the back. You can also stretch out your neck here in this position. Good. Give your arms a couple swings. And bring your other arm across. Good, release, give those arms a couple swings. Next up, we're going to open up that chest. So, clasp those fingertips behind the head. Open those elbows, open the chest, gazes up to the ceiling. Hold it here for a few seconds. And then release and contract inward. And open it up. And contract in. One more time. Good. Back to center. Hands come down to the mat. Step it out into a plank. Lower yourself down. Hips are pressed into the mat. You're going to hold a cobra position here. Press those shoulder blades down and drive those hips.
Ganun yan.
Calm down.
Good. From here, you're going to press back. Knees are wide. Fingertips are reaching toward the top of your mat. Forehead is down on the mat. And just taking a few deep breaths here.
Sayip na yung haner. Ubos pag yun.
Lubos kita.
Murag nilingkod ka sa imong tiil. Tanawa siya.
From here, you're going to bring your left hand over top of your right, stretching at the left side.
Ang gawat sa mga
Kapoy sa nang cool down.